What is the eligibility to prepare for UGC NET exam 2024? Now, this is a very basic question asked by many of the students who have started to enroll for their master's program, qualified their CUET PG, are into their master's now and preparing for NET examination. So, first of all, NET examination is an eligibility examination to become eligible to teach into universities and colleges. Now, this exam is specifically focused for students who aspire for either teaching or research in universities and colleges. So it has a eligibility percentage of 55% marks for unreserved category. For all others, it is 50% marks in their master's program. Now, when can you apply? When you are in your third semester or second year of the final master's program, then you can appear for the UGC NET examination. Once the result is declared, within 2 years of the result, you have to produce your master's certification with 55% marks and more. So that is what is the eligibility. We have seen a notification stating that for 2024 revised syllabus can be released, but as of now the syllabus changes are yet to be released. So once they are released, we would update them on our portal on Examrace. Now this paper actually consists of two things: paper 1 and your subject paper. Paper 1 is a common paper with 50 questions, and paper 2, which is your subject paper, has nearly 100 questions which are asked. Each paper 1 and paper 2 has 2 marks for correct answer. What you need to understand is your preparation for either of these subjects. You can choose any of the subjects from the given list of 100 plus subjects which are available, and we have all the materials ready for each of the subject here, be it the questions, the notes or the lectures which are available for the subjects. So you can prepare that, you can focus on that, and then practice as many questions as you can. So question banks, we keep on increasing the content every time. So every time the last papers, the most important questions from the last papers are incorporated, and based on that you would see the new questions. Also based on 2023, we have picked some of the most typical questions that were asked in your paper 1, which we would be covering in a separate lecture. So don't miss that, and those all complete details would be available in the lectures section. So if you go on to the list of lectures, you would see how we actually have designed it, and there are topics which are available here. So if you scroll, you would see each of the topic, and let's say this is a topic that has come, it says from 2022 paper. Based on that, you have an update for 2023 which was on citation style. Similarly, for ozone depleting substances for the Sri Dhanya Kattak University, which was asked in 2023, we have created separate updates for 2024. So based on that, we keep on updating the lecture series. So this lecture series for paper 1, you can find the complete understanding and analysis here, right? So each of these lectures are covered here, so you can go through them, understand them, and get benefit out of them. Thanks for joining in.